if I take a date field inside one column, so let me convert that into a column chat. And if I take a sales column from the sales table, sales amount, let me click on this, it will automatically go to y-axis. And you can see that all years you are getting a same sales. But is that true that every year has the same sales? No. If you want, you can just convert to a table and you can see all values are same. You can see all the values are same. How do you get all the values same on each and every day? So there might be some issue. So what is that issue? That is where you have not built your data model correctly. So for that, you need to go back to your model part, model view, and here you can see that, hey, your data date table is not linked with your sales table. There is no relation between these two. So what is a fact table? What are the dim table? I have already you have this all recorded videos. You can just watch that. What is the fact table? What is the dim table on that? So let me just scroll and check what is a matching column between these two. So if I look carefully, I can say that, hey, there is a date key column here, and there is a column that is matching with this date key, that is your order date key. These two are one and the same because there is no date column inside this sales table. So the matching column between these two tables are your order date key and your date key. So let me drag and drop it here. So once you drag and drop, you will create a relationship between these two tables that will be one to many. What does it mean? So it has unique values inside this date table and you have many values inside this sales table. So let me go to report view and see the magic here. Now all the values are changed. So this is how the data modeling plays a very important role in Power BI. I hope you understood the importance of I hope you understood the importance of data modeling. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe, like the video, keep learning. Thank you.